and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back to another hair episode by Jalia. Hello, we are at 200 subscribers. Hey! So in today's video, I'm here to give you what you've been expecting for a long time. I'm going to show you how to install your hair without glue, without using anything like glue or any ghost bond or what. So yeah, we are going to get started, and this is the hair right here. It's for everyone who hates these wigs that pull off the edges or what. So yeah, this is the hair. It's from Vivi Babi Hair, and I'm going to leave everything down in the description box. Let us get started. So I'm back. Let me extend even here so that you can see me well. I'm back, and this is the hair right now. It's from Vivi Babi Human Hair. I'm going to link everything down in the description box, so make sure you check in case you're interested in this hair. So let us unbox it. Yesterday I was too excited. I did not remove it, but yeah. So in a box you get 3 of these. They're called the headband. You know, you're going to see its purpose. So you get 3 of this. You get to change. You get to be like, you know what, today I want to rock this one, today I want to rock this one, tomorrow I want to so don't worry, I'm going to show you headbands. And this is the wig. Let me see. It's Brazilian hair. It's 180 density. It's going to be down in the description box, and this is how it's looking like. Wow, is the hair. And you're please guys, when you receive this, don't eat them. You are supposed to throw them away. Some people eat it. You're not supposed to eat it. So yeah, this is the hair, guys. Oh, I thought it was shedding. I was like, what is going on? So this is just the hair net, and this is the hair. So when you open it, inside it has these things that are going to enter into your hair so that your hair stays in place. So let us take off this right here, because I guess everything is ready. Yeah, I knew my edges were ready. I knew they were ready. Okay, so I'm going to begin with my hair. My hair is actually freshly washed, so I'm just going to comb it, because girl, this is so interesting. It's actually my first time like wearing it. This is going to be my first ever time wearing it. So all you have to do is make sure your hair is properly combed. Get your styling gel, any styling gel you have. So today I'm using this Eco, and you just hold it back. Should I do like a straight one? Should I just do a straight one? Oh yes, I think I should just do a straight one. Okay, so let me get my brush. I need to slick it down like this. Okay. So let me hold it behind just like this. But the main aim is we need the front, okay? We don't need the back, but you have to keep it clean so that it can look cute. So okay, I got it. Oh, I got it. Yeah, so it is all slicked down. What do you think? Okay, let's lay some edges so that it can look so good like that. Oh wow. This is cute. This is it. It's cute. Oh, by the way, I'm still using this Eco, so don't get stuck anywhere. Ask the question. In my edges. Big up to all big foreheaded head girls. Girls with big forehead like me. Okay, like this. You have to get these edges, whether you want it or not. That. Okay. Like that. Okay, looks good. Does it look good? So we have to get a setting scalp. So I'm just going to put my setting scalp just to make sure that everything is set properly. So I'm going to put this legend one, the one that you usually see. Yes. Okay, so let us put it on. Okay, so you have to close your eyes and do like this. Wow. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you. Let me show you this because you need to see it. So it has this thing when you open we are going to close. I'm going to show you everything. Don't cry, okay? So let me show you. So you close your eyes like this and you put on the hair just like this. Okay, like this. And then let me show you. Okay, so now we have this one. So let me turn around and I show you how to this. So behind here, when you see it from here, let me get something to hold my hair so that you can see what I mean. So behind here, so right here, these ones, we are going to make sure that they touch each other like this, okay? So you can keep on adjusting, but if you are wearing this hair, please girl, leave these edges right here. So you're not yet done. Okay, so which one can we start with? This is how I'm looking like. Can you imagine? I haven't put on anything. So we have 3 different. Let me first put on this and we'll blend. It is one of my. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. So all you have to do is put it right here and just pull your hair like this. I'm gonna show you. Or you can just put it in your neck like this and then get it like this. Okay, just pull it a little bit in front like this, and this is the first one. So yeah, this is the first one. How do you like it? Give me marks right there. It's called Vivi Babi. It's called Vivi Babi human hair. It's actually human. Oh, by the way, it's not synthetic. It's 100% human hair. So yeah, this is the first one. Let me take some pictures. Alright, so we are done with the first one. It is done. Yeah? This is the first one. It is done. Look how I look. Like, just see how it's bringing out this face of mine. Be like, hey, you. It has fallen off from the people, so it is so secure. Okay, so this is the second one. This is the second one. Somebody see me. So yeah, this is the second one. Take pictures, take screenshots. So yeah, this is how it looks with this animal print. And now let us try out another one. So, oh, by the way, let us first take some pictures. Yes, let us try our last one right here. So this color is not mine. I'm not really a pinky person, but yeah, you can rock it in case you want it. But these are my favorite. You see how they pulled out my skin tone and everything. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just subscribe and say hi to me, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.